Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send money with Google Pay. So let's get into our video. Open up Google Pay and log into your Google Pay account. So once I've logged in, when you're on its home screen here, so what you're going to do, there are various ways how you can send money using Google Pay. So you can either you can click on the scan QR code and then just scan the QR code of the receiver and then proceed with the payment, or you can use you can pay to someone from your contacts. Just click on pay contacts and select any contact here from your local contacts and then proceed with the payment. Or you can simply pay by your phone number, select enter a phone number and then type in a phone number and then proceed with the payment. Or you can also send money to a bank to a bank account. Click on bank transfer and then type in the bank account and then send money. So there are various ways how you can do it. So for example, here in this video I'll show you I'll send the money to someone from my contacts. So I'll choose pay contacts. All right, and then I'm going to choose someone. So for example, all right, for example, here if I choose this person here, so what I'm going to do here, so if I want to pay an amount to send money to this person, so I'm going to click on pay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to type in the amount that I wish to send, and then I can add a note if I want to. So if I want to add a small note, I can do that. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this tick here, and then it's going to ask me for my UPI pin for verification. So all I have to do is just enter the pin and that's it. Money will be sent to him, and that's pretty much it. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.